Okay, this Holy Life office in China. We just walk in the main door and we see the office here. I'm going to give you a quick preview of the office, how it looks like. It's an amazing international office. Here are some of the team members who come to see that Holy Life. You can see the team here. You can see all the beautiful products like the Bama Air, all this amazing stuff here. All the certificates on this wall. By the time you walk inside, you can see the certificates on the walls. If people like certificates, just come and visit us at Holy Life. This is Holy Life China. I'm so proud member of this company. You can see here, they have all of these products here. Beautiful products, yes. Galaxy G1, all of them here, So here, you see the office here. You see the view here. Yeah.
That's
Okay. There you have people trying the machine out. Number one, yes, using the machine. Yes, all these people. Yes. Yes, using it. And now I'm going to take you a little tour here of the office. And there's a water machine here as well. I'm going to show you one of the drinking water machines. This is the older model, but soon we will have the newer model coming out soon. Oh, Holy Life bottled water right here. Wow, this is a fridge. Okay, beautiful. So now we can show you here all of these Vitality One, the P90 Plus. You are with a real company. There's a training room. You see the training room here? This is a training room in China. Right? This is so nice, and you can see how P90 started. You see this whole wall here, where they started with the P90, all the trials they did, and they work on it, and they perfect it. Yes. So there he goes. One team, one dream, one world. Holy Life, number one.